Hey there, let me show you how to upload your first shoot. So we're going to head on over to the upload flow and choose how many files that you want. I'm uploading a single shoot at once, so let's wait a couple of seconds for it to finish uploading. Okay, great. So now that I've uploaded this shoot, I'm going to select all of them and I'm going to click on shoot. And if I haven't created one before, I'm just going to select create new and then call this one New York City Tube Girl. And always remember to create a description, something short and sweet. Gonna save that, and last step would just be to submit. So now in my profile, I can see my newly updated shoots. I can find them under this tab, or I can just click on them within the grid and go through all of my different images. If you ever need to edit a shoot or anything, you can always go back into the image detail and then change the name of the shoot or create a new one from within. So hope this helps and have fun creating your first shoot.